So hello guys, I'm going to talk about the table of content over here of global business environment, as this is the longest chapter. So this is the separate video of what we will learn in the overall topic over here. So concept of global business environment, political system, collectivism and socialism. Under socialism there is communism and social democracy, individualism, democracy. Under democracy there is capitalist and parliament democracy, social democratic and socialist. Next we will talk about liberalization, totalitarian. We will talk about actors in political system. We will talk about the political risk, general political risk and government intervention in the form. In general political risk there is government takeover, operational restrictions, agitations, blockage of fund, embargoes and sanction. Under the intervention there is individualistic paradigm and communitarian paradigm. Now concept of legal environment, major legal system, actors in legal system, e-commerce and legal system, intellectual property right, components of IPR, where we will talk about industrial property, copyright, related rights, trademark, geographic indications, GIs, industrial design and patents. Now we will talk about government intervention on investment barrier, where there is political reason and economic reason. In international trade tariff and non-tariff barrier, where under the tariff barrier we will talk about import duties, primary and secondary import duties in official prices. Now non-tariff barrier we will talk about direct price effect, quality control effect. Now FDI policy we will talk about FDI to inward FDI and outward FDI. Now concept of socio-cultural environment, why culture matters in FDI, managing the cultural differences, regional economic integration, ties or stages of economic integration, effects of economic integration and leading economic bloc and trading bloc, web BIMSTEC, SAFTA, European Union, APEC and Asian. Now emerging foreign market, challenges in the demographic of the country economy, foreign exchange rate, foreign exchange rate market, parties in the forex market, major segment of the forex and foreign exchange rate system, where we will talk about controlled exchange rate system, floating exchange rate system, fixed exchange rate system, pegged exchange rate system. Now mode of payment in international trade, there is advance cash payment, cash in advance, letter of credit, open account, counter trade, and global financial system, GFS, where we will talk about financial exchange rate system, currency exchange control system, commercial banking system, national stock exchange. Now determinants of exchange rates, where we will talk about international economic and financial institution, where there is World Bank, International Monetary Fund, Asian Development Bank and World Trade Organization. Under the World Bank we will talk about International Bank for Reconstruction and Development, IBRD, International Development Association, IDA, International Financial Corporation, IFC, Multilateral Investment Guarantee Agency, MIGA, and International Center for Settlement of Investment Dispute, ICSID.